Welcome back, guys. I finally received this anti-social club that was collaborate with the USPS merch. So I got one of the navy tee size large, $48, and then a pink tee, $48 size large, and then a shoulder bag, $54, and then a work cap, $48. And then a work sun hat, $52. So the total is $250 plus $34 for the shipping fee, $18.13 for the tax. So the total damage for this order is $302.13. So let's go ahead and open this up, and hopefully they are in pretty good quality. Go ahead and cut on this side. Oh my god, almost cut the hat. I think that's my invoice here. Yeah, here the description right here, USPS side bag. It's an anti-social club, USPS worksite bag, one size, and then USPS navy tee large, and then a pink tee size large, and then the USPS work cap, one size fit all, and then a USPS bucket hat, one size fit all. All right, so this is the cap. You got the pink anti-social club on the right side panel. And you have this US mail. It's a patch. Gotta check if this is stitch on or iron on. So it is stitch on there, which is nicer, so you won't fall off. And then here's a legit check tag right here. So this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panel cap. Here's a adjustable buckle right here. Then you could loop the strap in there. It's kind of tight, but might push in with the tool. Let's see where's this made from. Doesn't say. There's no tag. So yeah, unfortunately this one doesn't have any label or anything. So and then this one is the side bag. So right here, this strip looks like a 3M reflective. It is in a navy color. Got the US mail logo right here, and then Anti-Social Social Club. Here's a front pocket with a zipper, and then a pull tab. Wow, look at the strap, very nice. Got the Anti-Social Social Club, and then a USPS. It's on both sides. And then this is just buckle right here. So actually on the inner side, there's no ASSC and then USPS. And then you got another pull string right here. Be sure to look at the knot. And it is burned on the end. Let me turn on the flash real quick. Gonna check out the inside, and then 3M reflective. Alright, so inside is all black. And then there's no label. Yeah, I don't see any label. Wow, look at that. This is a 3M reflective, and also on the strip top and bottom. I don't think the strap is 3M reflective. Wait, is it? Looks like it. Let me try to focus on the strap by turning off the flash. I don't think this is 3M reflective then. And then the zipper is now YKK, so this one's the pink tee. It's a legit tag. Made in USA, 100% cotton, and then size large. The front is 3M reflective with this big US mail Eagle logo. Let me turn it off right now, and so you guys can see the difference. So this is without the flashlight on. Let's go and then check on the back. Wow, even the back is 3M reflective. Nice. Let me turn off the flash again. So this is what it look like without the 3M reflective. Go ahead and check out this navy color. Size large. Got the legit tag. Again, same thing, made in USA, 100% cotton, size large. And then this one is not 3M reflective. And then you have the pink anti-social social club on the back. Let's go ahead and check out the last item. This one is the bucket hat. So on the front, you got the US mail patch sewed on there. On the left hand side, you got the 2 air ventilation hole, and then there's a snap-on button, so you can snap it on like this, almost like a cowboy hat. On the back, there is nothing, and then there's another snap-on button right here with the 2 air ventilation hole. And then on the top, you got this pink anti-social social club. And then there's a strap with a quick release button to adjust to your size. Try check on the label or where is it made from, and it doesn't say it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. And be sure to stay tuned for the try on body fit. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.